Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is unboxing this Fortress air compressor behind me. We are, believe it or not, heading towards spring, but as of last night we got another 12 inches of snow, and it is cold and it is miserable out. And the good thing about this compressor, one of the great things that they claim, is it's got a 15-degree cold start. So, you know, as of late, it has been a lot colder than that, and I do apologize. I know a lot of you has wanted to see this thing, or maybe not so much see it, but hear it. It claims to be the ultra quiet model, and I purchased this, probably a few weeks back now, and made a video of it as I picked it up from Harbor Freight. And some of you have made comments to me like, hey, we want to hear this thing run, and I want to apologize for not getting this video out sooner, but hey, let's look at some of the specs. Let's get this thing unboxed, and then let's break it in and let you guys hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to warn you ahead of time. My plan is, in my conclusion, to start this thing up, let you hear it, and actually talk in a normal tone of voice. My camera will probably be anywhere from 4 to 5 feet from the compressor. I am going to stand next to the compressor and do my final thoughts. And let's hear how that sounds. Maybe it'll flood me out. Maybe you'll be able to hear me. But time will tell. So let's see how that works out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's take a look at the box here, give you some idea what we're dealing with. This is the purchase that I made at Harbor Freight. It is the Fortress 26-gallon ultra quiet air compressor. Like I said, Fortress is Harbor Freight's top of the line compressors. They make a lot of different sizes. If you haven't seen that past video, and go back, check it out. There's all kinds of sizes, from pancakes all the way up to the large boys. Go check that out. They've got quite the selection. But let's get into the specs here. So this is 175 PSI. It's, like I said, 26 gallon. It's considered to be 80% quieter than most other compressors in its class. It has that 40% more runtime. And like I said earlier, that 15-degree Fahrenheit cold start is really important if you're in the northern states or Canada. A lot of times our garages are quite cold, so that's a big plus. A few of the features that this Fortress compressor has, it has a nice roll cage, which you'll see when we get it unboxed here. But that roll cage protects that motor and stuff. Heaven forbid if we ever, tip this thing over or whatever, at least it has a nice sturdy roll cage to protect that motor. It's got 2 brass universal couplers. Like I said, it's 69 decibels, pretty quiet. It's got the brushless 4-pole motor, but we got the oil-free pump, the 2 cylinders. Now the 2 cylinders is really important, and that's how they're keeping this thing ultra quiet. They're running 2 cylinders, so they can run a lower RPM but still get that power, still get that air output that you want. Like I said, the tank size was really important to me. I needed something a little larger, that 26 gallon. Max pressure 175. It's 120 volts, so just a standard outlet to plug into. And of course, again, the decibels are at 69, which is really quite quiet. And a 6-foot power cord. So the weight is 125 pounds. So it is heavy. If you're a mobile detailer, maybe this isn't for you, but down below we've got a tool usage chart. I sure hope this is picking up there for you guys. But this compressor pretty much runs everything. There's nothing that it's not recommended for. Everything from inflating and cleaning and airbrush, finish nailers, spray guns, the cutting and drilling and the sanding, them are intermittent, so you're not going to be able to run them constantly, but boy, pretty much an all-around great compressor. Also, guys, just to give you an idea, I really keep saying ultra quiet, and that's what they claim on this. To give you some idea, they have a chart on the side, which is really kind of cool. And at the very bottom, if you're in a library, you're looking at about, 50 decibels. And right above it is the ultra quiet compressor at 69. And above that, you have a vacuum cleaner, or typical quiet household vacuum cleaners at 70. So this here compressor should run comparable to your household vacuum cleaner, and then you can get into other areas, extreme loud rock concerts, 100 to 130 decibel level, decibels. So, compared to 69, it's actually pretty good. So it's kind of neat. They put that little chart on there. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed. I do know that some of the components are in the top, but this whole box will lift off. So let's simply just get these straps off here, and we can cut them off more simply, pull them off. Okay, and then I've got a little cutter here, which will just kind of open up the top of the box, because I believe there's some components in the top here. And there's not a lot to the assembly. Most of it's right here. So probably the most important thing in this box is the owner's manual. So we'll take a look at that. Let me get these straps out of the way so I don't take a tumble. Okay, there. So just unboxing this right off the bat here, we're gonna pull out some styrofoam. They've got these things packed pretty nice, pretty heavy styrofoam. And looks like we've got a bracket, and that will be for our hose hanger, which we can hang on the right or left hand side of this unit, so that's kind of nice. And this should just lift off of this unit. Set that aside. Okay. So there we are. Down below, we've got our wheels, which are really heavy, really nice. They got some bearings in them. Looks like there's even a little grease inside of them. But real heavy-duty wheels. So without further ado, let's get this thing out of the bottom of this box here, get some wheels on it. I will put those on. I'm not going to bore you with attaching wheels. There's plenty of other videos that show that. Then we're going to plug it in, and we're going to talk about the procedure of breaking this unit in, which I think is one of those areas that I see that people are just deciding to get it home, plug it in, and just start using it without that break-in period. Okay, so we've got our Fortress air compressor that I bought at Harbor Freight, all ready to go. Wheels are on. It's all set to fire up. But before we can actually use it, we have to break it in. And this is a 30-minute run period where we simply turn the compressor and let it run for 30 minutes while leaving the valve at the very bottom, the drain valve, wide open. Let it run for 30 minutes. It's kind of a pain, but before we want to really use this thing, that's what we need to do. I think a lot of people skip that step and they just jump in and start using it, and that can cause issues. So hey, let's go according to what the owner manual says. Let's fire it up. So we're already plugged in, and it's simply flip our power switch here, and let's hear exactly how quiet this ultra quiet air compressor is. Several air compressors before, and this is super quiet. Our valve is open at the bottom, and we'll check our time. We'll let it run for a half hour, and she'll be broke in, and she'll be ready to use. So if you're looking for a really great compressor at a really great price, that's super quiet, this is actually amazing. I've had pancake compressors that were 2 or 3 times louder than that. I don't know how this sounds on camera, but I can stand here and I don't have to scream over the top of this thing. I can actually hear myself talking. With my small pancake compressors and a few other compressors that I've been around, you definitely have to yell and scream. In general, you can't hear yourself think around them. So this is exactly what you said it was. It is a very quiet compressor. And like I said, I will do another review on this compressor probably this fall after I use it all summer long, see how it holds up, see what issues I may or may not have with it, and I'll come back and give you an honest review of how this thing performs. But so far, the build quality is great, the price was great, it sounds amazing. I mean, air compressors are air compressors, they're loud, but in that realm, this here unit is amazingly quiet. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you have good luck finding an air compressor that works for you in your shop. So come back for more. I'll do some more reviews on this. We're going to be looking at air compressor hoses and the tools that we'll use with this compressor in upcoming videos. So hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.